Amanda, you've been to Catalina?
I've been to Catalina. I love Catalina, but I've never been to this restaurant.
Oh, Airport in the Sky is outrageous. What the menu lacks in diversity, the location, the environment makes up for it. So, I mean, we'll be going to restaurants that have a lot more variety in the menu.
Yeah.
But I think you're going to like it.
Good, and sometimes all you need is a small menu where they just make it really good, those few things. So I'm excited to have a burger.
Well, it's going to be a bison burger or buffalo burger.
Okay.
And that's their specialty, and they make it 3 different ways.
Okay.
So you can take your choice, and I know which one I want, but I'm not going to say.
Okay, I'm going to pick my own. Hopefully it's not the same. So you grow your own vegetables, right?
Yeah.
You do?
Everything's organic.
Okay.
I've got, in my backyard, I've got 4 avocado trees.
Nice.
I've got a peach tree that just puts out amazingly.
Oh, I love
I've got a
peaches.
plum tree, a kumquat tree, a fig tree.
Ooh, nice.
And then I grow my own organic tomatoes, too.
Ah, I love tomatoes.
I'm really into tomatoes.
Me
They're
too.
so good. And I would say my favorite tomato for salads would be a Juan Flame.
Okay.
And you're not going to find, they're not hard, I mean, you can't find them in the store.
Uh-huh. So do you grow them?
Yeah, I grow 'em.
Nice. Okay. I like heirloom tomatoes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Some of the hybrids are good for like in the winter months because they're a little hardier.
Okay.
But the sweetest tomato that I have is called a Sun Sugar, and it's a cherry tomato. It's yellow, and it's almost as sweet as a grape. I'll bring you some.
Yeah, I love cherry tomatoes because sometimes like I'm like, ooh, I'm craving something sweet, but maybe I don't want to eat like so unhealthy today, so I just pop in tomatoes.
All right, so there's Catalina.
Awesome.
Here we are in a beautiful Catalina Island.
The Airport in the Sky and the DC3 restaurant where they have the famous
Buffalo burger.
that can't be beat. No one person can eat just that burger.
Oh, I could eat this burger.
Check out this burger.
This is loaded.
This ought to get us home, huh?
It's really juicy, if you can see it in there. And then the onion gives it that nice little salty, yet caramelized, sweet taste. And then the lettuce and the tomato make it really fresh. And the bun, it really holds up against the burger. Good?
Wow. I like how the buffalo has the texture.
Yes, right?
There's no gamey taste.
No. There's texture, but it's moist.
It's actually sweeter than beef. It tastes a little bit sweeter.
Mm-hmm. And look at that ooey gooey cheese.
I know the onions.
I mean-
The onions set it off.
Yeah.
It's like a fireworks show.
Mm-hmm. So how many buffalo are in Catalina right now?
You know, they started with 15 buffalo back in 1925
Okay.
for the movie The Vanishing American.
Yes.
And after that, the herd swelled to 600 buffalo, which
a
was
lot.
too many for the island to support.
I can see that.
It was actually causing some damage to the ecosystem. So they thinned it down, and presently the herd is at 150.
Okay. And
Which-
so they want to keep it at 150.
150 is good. They feel that the island will support that many buffalo
Okay.
without damaging the ecosystem.
Okay, that makes sense.